Welcome children. Welcome in S.St class children. Chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau. Reading is going on. So today we'll read about the life in the Southern Plateau. And states in the Southern Plateau are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. Okay children? So at first we'll discuss about Madhya Pradesh. Okay? From page number 44, we'll talk about Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, this state is surrounded by, I'm showing you Madhya Pradesh. Here you will see Madhya Pradesh. See, here Madhya Pradesh. And this state is surrounded by Gujarat, here Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh means UP, and the capital city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, and the language spoken here are Hindi, Urdu and Bundeli. Okay children, Hindi, Urdu and Bundeli. Okay, and the large area of the state is covered by forest, and river like Tapi, Narmada flow from east to west. So this is east side, east to west. Okay, Tapi, Narmada flow from east to west and draining into the Arabian Sea. Here you can see Arabian Sea. Okay, Arabian Sea. And agriculture is important occupation, and this state is famous for art and craft work. And national wildlife parks like Kana and Bandhavgarh. These wildlife parks are here. Okay, and tribes also live here. I'm just showing you a pic of tribes now. Tribes means refer, see, this is the pic of tribals, refer to a category of human social group, and they have a strong sense of unity. Okay, and it refers to a category of human social group. Okay children, so these now important cities are Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur. Okay, and you know, I'm talking about the tribals also live here. They enjoy hunting, singing and dancing. Okay, these tribal and tribes of Madhya Pradesh, and they really enjoy hunting and singing and dancing. Okay children, now we'll talk about next state, that is Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh, you know, a famous steel plant, the Bhilai steel plant is here. Okay, and Chhattisgarh is surrounded by, see here, I'm showing you Chhattisgarh. Here is Chhattisgarh. You just see Chhattisgarh is surrounded by Madhya Pradesh. Here Chhattisgarh. Here Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Okay, Odisha, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh. Here Andhra Pradesh, and this is the boundary. Okay, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. Here is UP. And capital of this state is Raipur. I'm telling you, river Mahanadi flows through the state. And I told you in previous video also, river Mahanadi. You know, river Mahanadi flows from west to east into Bay of Bengal. This is a seasonal river, flows through the state. Which state? Chhattisgarh. Okay, and the state is rich in mineral resources, and mineral resources means substances from we get naturally substances found naturally on the earth like gold, silver, oil, iron, and famous Bhilai steel plant is located in this state. Okay children, that's all about. And Bilaspur, Rajgarh and Korba, these are famous important cities here. I'm showing you a pic of Bhilai steel plant. You can see Bhilai steel plant. Okay, and it is located here, right? Now we'll talk about Maharashtra. Next state, Maharashtra. A very famous festival from Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi. Showing you a pic of Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a very famous festival here. Maharashtra lies western part of the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau lies to the western part of Deccan Plateau. You just see in the pic, western part of the Maharashtra here. Maharashtra lies western part of the Deccan Plateau on the Arabian Sea coast. I'm just using a new word, coast, C-O-A-S-T. C-O-S-T. You know about this word? It means coast. Price. Okay. And this is new word. What is the meaning of this word? Coast. Here I am using the word Deccan Plateau, and it's Maharashtra lies on the western part of the Deccan Plateau on the Arabian Sea coast. So what is the meaning of this word? Coast. Coast means the area of land that is next to or close to the sea. The area of land that is next to or close to sea. Okay. Near or close to the sea. I am showing you here. Arabian Sea is there, okay, Arabian Sea, and here is Maharashtra. You can see here, Maharashtra is here. So Maharashtra lies on the western part of the Deccan Plateau. So this is Deccan Plateau and this is the western part, and Deccan Plateau on the Arabian Sea. This is Arabian Sea coast. As I told you, coast means the area of land that is next to or close to the sea. Okay, and Mumbai is the capital city. It is also called business capital of India. Why? Because it is trade hub where a large number of items are bought and sold. Okay, and river Godavari and Krishna flow through this state. These are seasonal rivers. These are seasonal rivers here in the state Maharashtra, and flow from west to east into Bay of Bengal. West to east. Okay, and east side Bay of Bengal is there. That's all. Okay, now I'm telling you about in this state we can find black soil, lava soil, black soil we can find in the state, black soil. Okay, and black soil is found in the Deccan Plateau. Soil is black in color because the soil is made up of volcanic rocks, also called lava soil. This type of soil is good for growing, very good for growing cotton and sugarcane. Okay, and these are the important crops here, cotton and sugarcane. Okay, children. Now, I'm talking about one festival, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. Again, showing you the pic of Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the pic of Ganesh Chaturthi. You can see. Okay, and fruits such as oranges, grapes, banana are grown here. Nagpur oranges are very famous, and industries like textiles, automobiles. These are very famous industries here. Textiles means it concerned with the design, production and distribution of cloth and clothing. Okay. And what is automobile? This industry involves the design, development and manufacturing and selling, marketing, selling of motor vehicles. Okay, children. Now, I'm telling you about film industry. Yeah, it is known as Bollywood. This Mumbai is known as Bollywood, and Hindi cinema means Hindi cinema. Okay, and Marathi is the language of the local people, and Ganesh Chaturthi is the important festival celebrated in this state. Now we'll talk about Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka lies in the southwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. Southwestern part of the Deccan Plateau, and which is this capital city, Bengaluru. Its capital city is its capital city, and it is also called the Garden City. You know why? Why we call it Garden City? Because the presence of number of parks and gardens. Now it is called Silicon City. Silicon City because of the presence of number of IT companies. This is Bengaluru. You can see the pen, Bengaluru, and presence of number of IT companies means IT means information technology we are calling it, now it is called Silicon City. Silicon City because of the presence of number of IT companies. Okay, children. And Krishna Kaveri flow from west to east into Bay of Bengal. Krishna and Kaveri. See, Krishna and Kaveri rivers flow from west, this is west side, west to east into Bay of Bengal. Okay, these are important rivers here. Okay, and Kannada is spoken by the people of Karnataka, means this is the language there. Kannada is spoken by the people of Karnataka. Dashera and Ugadi are important festivals. I'm telling you about Mysore Dashera. It's very famous here, very important festival here. And Ugadi. Ugadi, it's a New Year's Day for the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. And it is the first day of Hindu lunisolar calendar and in the month of Chaitra, right? So this is all about Karnataka. Children, you have to read this page number 44 and 45. Okay, both the pages. Okay, and you just keep all the important things in mind. And children, have a nice time. Bye.